Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the next tutorials. We have to continue this creating the space from this private room. Okay, so in the last tutorials we have done up to this conference room. So today in this tutorials I am going to continue the creating a space from this private room and we'll continue the remaining rooms. So before I start this video, I would request you once again, if you are still not subscribed my channel, please do subscribing and hit the bell icon as well, so that whenever I upload the video you will get the notification of that video. So let us start now. Let us open this app software. Go to the system space and you can see the for the first floor we have done until this conference room. So let me duplicate this, just duplicate this and make it private. Office, private room, private room. Calculate the area, which is here you can see 3.5 by 3.9, 3.5 meter by 3.9 meter, which is 13.65 by square meter. Height is 4 meter, and this is considered as a office. Okay. Then go to the internals and you can check the number of people from the furniture layout. So let us open the furniture layout. Okay, so you can see here there is no furniture, so you can consider as a bedroom this one. So you can consider this as a bedroom and you can assume the number of people is 2. Okay, so 2, and here you can select the bedroom. Select here bedroom, which is where is the bedroom? General conference. Check one by one. Let me check sleeping area. Okay, this is barrack report sleeping area. Okay, select the sleeping area and then go to the internal. So number of people is 2, and then wall and windows. So in this there is one exposure, GL11. 33.5 is the length of the width of the wall, so 3.5 by 4, 14 square meter gross area, and the window is GL11. Select the GL11, then roof and skylight. Roof and skylight will be same as the floor area, so 13.7 square meter, and then go to the floor, slab floor and grade. So our option is floor above condition space, then there is no partition. Make it 0, click OK. For the bathroom also, we'll just provide the cooling here, and there will be here door undercut, so it will go, the cooling will pass through this bathroom, so no need to provide the cooling here. So go for the GM office. Okay, next is GM office. So select the conference manager room, then select the GM office, rename this and make it GM office. Okay, so gross area 8 meter by 5.8, 8 meter by 5.8, which will be 46.4, 46.4 square meter, and height is 4, and this is office space. Now go to the internal. So internals, you can select the number of people from this furniture layouts. So you can see here there are 7, 8, and 3 here, total 10 furnitures are there. So number of people is 10. Then go to the wall and window. So there is a exposure which is called south and east exposure is there. So select here south and east. So south exposure you can select from this drawing, which is 8 meter by 4 meter. So 8 by 4, 32 square meter, and windows is 1. So two windows is here. So select the number of windows is 2 and GL3. Okay, then go to the east exposure, which is 5.8, and here is one door and one window. So 5.8 by 4, which is 23.2. 23.2, one windows and one door. Okay, so here is you can check from this drawing, which is the window here, GL4 and D7. GL4 and D7. You create the window door here, D7. So D7. Okay, and door area is 1 meter by, check the section elevation drawing for the height. So let me open the elevation drawing here. Section VV, this is the section drawing. So let us open the elevation drawing. Okay, so this you can see here. Which elevation I want to see? I want to see the elevation C. So this is the elevation C. So this is the door. You can check the height from here. The door height, which is 2.1, and width is 1 meter. So 2.1 by 1, which is 2.1 square meter. So 2.1 square meter gross area, and click OK. So D7 is selected, and then go to the roof and skylight. So roof and skylight horizontal roof is there, and the area is 46.4, 46.4, and floor is above condition space, and there is no partition. So click OK. So this is done. Okay, the GM office. Next is we will continue from here which is account. So account office is there. So it is similar to GM office. Duplicate this and just rename this, which is account. Okay, and area is 4.3 by 5.8. So 4.3 by 5.8, which is 24.94 gross area. 24.94 4 meter height, and this is office internal. So for the internals you have to go for number of furniture layout and check the number of chair. So total 246 chairs are there. So number of people will be 6. And there is a north and west exposure are there. So north and west. North exposure is 4.6 by 4 meter, 18.4 square meter, and one windows is there, which is GL2. GL2. And then west exposure is 5.8 and there is no window. So 5.8 by 4, 23.2. There is no window and no door. So make it 0 and just unselect this, none. This also none. Then go to the roof and skylight. So horizontal roof 24.9 square meter. There is 24.9. And floor is above condition space. There is no partition. So click OK. Just save this. Okay, so it is saved. So I hope you guys learn how to create the spaces for the first floor. So we will continue in the next tutorials from this procurement, transport and logistic marketing, etc. We'll continue up to this last space, and then we will create the system. So I hope you guys learn how to create the spaces in the HAP for cooling load. So thank you for watching my video. Please be with me and keep watching my all the tutorials, and then you will learn the full concept. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.